there's a long story behind that. And amateur radio was what caused it.
Hello folks, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Engineering. Now, getting in the outdoors and having fun in a park or in a nature setting is a great thing to do, and it's a great thing to combine with radio. Chris and I had a great time recently at the Malabar Headlands in Sydney, Australia, on the Australian coast. Beautiful location to operate from. So be it flora and fauna, poda, soda, whatever it is, just getting outside with your ham radio, going portable, going mobile, will add an extra dimension to your ham life, and it's really a worthwhile thing to do. So I'm hoping you enjoyed this video. We certainly enjoyed making it. 7-3, let's go.
So that yellow bag goes in the back.
Just a small antenna assembly.
Yeah.
Okay, loaded up and ready to go. This is the soda.
He's holding half of the other. He's holding
This is our soda ever.
You're taking your pole with you.
Yeah, I'll take it.
I should have strapped it. In here.
Ah, it's all good.
That's all right.
Okay,
Okay.
onwards and upwards. Malabar Headland National Park.
He's found his pole. Yeah.
That's what usually happens.
Yeah. I'm just going to keep panning. Look at that.
Batteria.
The edge of Australia. And beyond, flatness. As far as the eye can see. And there's all my stuff over there. And oh! How close is that? Your unprotected battery terminals. Bit of spot welding. There's a problem with wire antennas. Yeah.
There's a little bit of a coil, loading.
I suppose I should go and get the microphones.
Oh look, lately
Just give them audio.
I've been giving, you know, you can take it into AI, but it's just really cumbersome.
It's not AI. It's not. There's nothing intelligent about it.
Real intelligence
Is on 7200. That's why aliens will never reveal themselves.
8 meters of wire.
8 meters of wire, up we go.
This is to go to the back seat of the car.
Uh-huh.
So we'll take it down.
Height is might.
So we got a 5 meter length of
Counterpoise.
no, yeah, we've also got
Coax.
coax. So,
I've got a 10 meter length.
okay, so we can leave the antenna at the base anyway.
Mm-hmm.
I hope we don't get a pile up. I don't think I have the energy.
Oh, we got something.
A little did.
Go again. And all this goes down this wire. Up in the air. And somewhere out there
that thumping that you're hearing, the QMX does not thump like that unless you put your own audio amplifier in it. When it's on headphones, it's all good. Firmware fixed that up.
Yeah.
It picks it up in the audio end.
There you go.
So if you're thinking about a QMX, it's all good. Just like to apologise to Mr. Summers for my adulteration of his perfect transceivers. Let's try again.
Notice the crossover left hand southpaw keying.
I do with my right hand, but that'd be cheeky.
Have we got someone? You got a bite?
I think so.
Maybe not.
Hello.
G'day. Bit of radio.
We thought we had someone, but no, such
It
luck.
gets out. We had Germany coming in. Yeah. Anyway. Yep, it's another day at the office.
Come on.
No.
OH1mm.
Yep.
Where's OH?
Europe.
Yeah, somewhere.
I don't know my DXCC.
yeah.
I'm lucky to get VK3. There we go.
Yeah, so that's about 15,000 kilometres.
That's, yeah.
So with that you can get
Yeah. That was Europe.
3 watts.
3 watt, yeah.
So it's a good frequency. It's 14 megahertz, which is almost a sweet spot for ionospheric propagation. And getting close to the ocean, you also get the effect of the ocean as a reflector. And yeah, every time we've come down near the ocean, you'll land. Yesterday or the other day on Sunday, I got Sweden, 3 watts, the back street of Kernell. So yeah.
the ocean kind of reflects
Yeah.
east and northwest.
Yeah.
Well, the other day I worked Sweden long path. He had a beam and he was facing in the opposite direction to Australia, so it's gone all the way around the back way and reached me. He was running 1,000 watts, very good antenna system, much better than this. But because he had a good antenna at his end, he was able to get it. So some of these guys are running stations that are just ridiculously amazing.
Lots of money.
Yeah.
We're-
Is this a hobby or?
Yeah. Yeah, just a hobby.
Yeah, you get a license through Australian Communications Media Authority. You do a test. You used to have to do Morse code to get the license. You don't have to. And since 2000, they dropped that prescription, but people still do it. So
Fantastic.
yeah.
It keeps you guys,
Yes.
happy and
Yes, out of the house.
Out of the house.
Otherwise,
Missus is going to be going.
That's right.
6 o'clock, yeah. See ya.
Catch you
Cheers.
around.
Ciao. There's one.
And a DX as well.
And a DX.
Try again.
Should we bring out the big guns?
I think so.
Okay. We'll bring out the big guns.
Yeah, I think we'll up it. And we might try some CB as well.
CB.
Yeah, some microphone stuff.
Yeah, okay. Should we try the loop?
Yeah, let's check it.
Okay. So here we go.
Okay,
One.
let's see how easy this is.
Meanwhile, a call comes in.
I'll get a few different
3 Velcro straps.
Yep.
A few different angles. really broad base, and roughly so it's kind of, it's about vertical.
Level as we can get it.
Level as we can get it. Now, where's this wind coming from?
I think it's actually offshore.
So what we'll do is note the tidy rope. If I've done my homework right. It should.
So we need to find somewhere in there to tie that down.
No, I'm going to use a tent peg. So that should push, that'll hold it down there. It's a fair bit of weight in this, being made of steel. The old Nano VNA. We've got phase, we've got SWR in there.
So the yellow is the SWR dip.
Yellow is the SWR dip, and we're just going to, what do we tune it to? I can't read. My eyeballs are gone. 7.0, what are we going for? We're going for we'll go for 7.4.
Yeah.
And then we just tune up the band.
So 7.4 is the top of the... No,
7.04.
7.0. Yeah,
7.040.
7.040, yeah. Thinking that's outside the band. Look at that, coming down.
Almost.
And that's our little magic switch over here that we're playing with.
And 15 volts, because 12 volts isn't enough. It's more than enough. It's more than enough.
Yeah.
And what we'll do is just zoom in. So start, I'm just going to start at, say, 7 meg. You want to see how tight this is. Stop at 7.1 meg. You'll see how tight this is. It's not too bad.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
It's not too bad. But if you go start at 6.5 and stop at 7.5, we'll give you an idea
So
of where we're
1
at.
meg wide.
Yeah, 1 meg wide. It's
it's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
That's it.
So
That's
it's a
on
1 meg
703A,
wide.
which is kind of where we want to be.
All good.
Okay.
So we're going to spot ourselves. We need how many more to activate? Just one.
Oh, just one for me to activate this park. But
Yes.
you need how many?
I need
9.
9. I don't think
one.
it's happening today.
Yeah, you got 1. You can take this one. Here we go.
I'm not in a hurry.
I'm just going to respot. I'm going to respot you. You can go.
Sure?
Yeah, and then we'll do some single sideband.
Okay.
7033.
Yep.
7.033. Ah, look. It's actually decodes your coding.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Look at that.
Stand up desk. It's a bit early for 40 meters.
That's
not too early for
It's perfect
seals.
time for 40 meters.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Grey line.
Yeah, that's
Like
true.
us.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Grey line.
What time is it?
6:45.
Really?
Yeah, it's summertime.
Okay.
Daylight savings. Gives us an extra hour of daylight in exchange for not being allowed to sleep in.
We're not having much luck here, are we?
Oh, it's turned to 45 degrees. Antenna rotator. I was getting a bit of flashing on the off the RF on the camera. It's almost like being a ship's radio officer, isn't it? You're sort of standing there looking out over the bridge.
Getting about as much success with this key as I normally did.
It's a bit sad, isn't it?
Yeah.
Life's rough, guys. Like, look at this. This is Sydney. Why would you want to live anywhere else? There's a lot of reasons.
Can't always win, you know.
Spot harder. I need to spot harder. Maybe we pull out some extra watts.
Yeah. One more. Maybe try sideband.
Yeah.
Maybe they don't love us anymore.
No. Sad hams.
TJ.
Yeah, John.
John. Fine business, George. And 559.
3 watts, 559. That's pretty good.
I'll tell him you're here.
Should we go voice?
That was, yeah, we'll go.
See if we can get those last 9.
Yeah, might as well.
8. You need 8.
We need 8 now. We've got 2.
Okay. Let's go.
CQ, 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 CQ. This is Victor Kilo 2, Alpha Oscar Echo. Victor Kilo 2, Alpha Oscar Echo. VK2AOE Parks, calling CQ, 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 and listening. Are we supposed to tell them the number?
No key.
Hey?
And no key.
No key.
Yeah, tell them the number and I'll spot it. I haven't spotted us.
Okay. Hello CQ, hello CQ, hello CQ, 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 CQ. This is a Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo, Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo, VK2AOE Parks, Victor Kilo Foxtrot, Foxtrot 1176, VKFF 1176, calling CQ, CQ, and listening. VK3 Papa Fox. Yes, Victor Kilo 3 Papa Fox Mobile. This is VK2AOE. I've got you here at about, I'd say a 539. Sorry, just a 53. I'm back in CW mode, over. HRN? Yeah, Victor Kilo 2. Is it Hotel Romeo November, over?
Hotel Romeo X-ray.
X-ray.
Correct.
Romeo that, Victor Kilo 2, Hotel Romeo X-ray, Victor Kilo 2, Alpha Oscar Echo. We've got you here about 5 and 5, 5 and 5, over.
Thanks for the 5 and 5, you're 5 and 9, excellent signal, thank you.
Thanks a lot. We're operating a loop at Malabar Headland, so we've probably got the advantage of the ocean here. Romeo, that 0474, thanks for that. Parks to Park, that's great, thank you.
Thanks for contact.
Awesome. That's two.
Oh, there's a regular. I can't remember his name.
Yes, Victor Kilo 1, Alpha Oscar, VK2AOE, go ahead.
Yeah, good to there, George. Good to get you, and good to have you. Thanks for being here. VK2AOE, I'm in Port Stevens, here 5 and 5 in Port Stevens, and my name is Alan, Alpha Lima, Alpha November, and I have a second call for your lot. VK2, Mike Echo Tango, that's me as well. VK2, Mike Echo Tango, both calls 5 and 5 there, George. Back to you.
Romeo, that VK2 Mike X-Ray Tango and VK1 Alpha Oscar. Thank you for both of those calls. That's great. We're heading towards the number we want.
Adults only.
VK1 adults only. Chris is just having a laugh at my expense. Good luck with the rest of the day.
Yeah, Roger, okay, good stuff. Hey, have you got a second operator there or not?
Yeah, if he wants it.
Yeah, I've got one here. I'll put him on.
Yeah, g'day, Alan. VK2NAP, November Alpha Papa. Yeah, 5-5. Back to you.
Yeah, right, and got you, Chris, yeah, 5 and 5 as well. VK1AO and 5 and 5 VK2NET. Yourself?
Beautiful. That activates the park for me. I had 9 last time I was here, so but I'm letting George have some fun now. So I'll pass the mic back to him. Thanks, Alan, and we'll talk again very soon, I'm sure.
Roger, good stuff.
Okay, 7-3.
Say again.
Alpha Lima Romeo.
What was the call sign? VK.
5 and 5.
I didn't get the call sign.
Was it AEL? Was it Alpha Echo Lima? Was that correct? Yeah, the 5-5 station. Yeah, you're 5-7. I just missed that call.
CMR.
Your VK2 CMR, Charlie Mike Romeo. Yeah, 55. You're 5 and 7. Call sign here is VK2NAP, second operator. I'll pass you back to George VK2 Alpha Oscar Echo. He'll give you another operator for you. Yeah, November Alpha Papa, VK2 November Alpha Papa, VK2 not allowed phone. Did you get that?
No, November Alpha Papa, Victor Kilo 2, November Alpha Papa, over. QSL.
And do your second operator.
He's got me already.
Has he?
Yeah. Romeo, so that's 2 operators from us. That was Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo and Victor Kilo 2 November Alpha Papa, and both 5 and 5. Thank you so much. 7-3. QRZ, this is Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo. Echo X-Ray Alpha. Yeah, Victor Kilo 2 Echo X-Ray Alpha. Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo. You are 5 and 7. 5 and 7, over.
Thank you for the 5 and 7. You're 5 and 9. Name here is Creek, and the location is a little village called Howlong near Albury, Wodonga. Nice to work you, over.
Romeo, that I've got a second operator here. If I could put him on, please. I'll put him on. It's Victor Kilo 2 November Alpha Papa.
What's the name, by the way?
Sorry, remiss of me. My name is George, Golf Echo Oscar Romeo Golf Echo, and I'll just hand over to Chris to get his call in as well. Over.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, VK2 November Alpha Papa, VK2 November Alpha Papa. It's the call sign this way, and you are 5x7, VK2EXA, VK2NAP.
You're 5 and 9. 5 and 9, over.
Beautiful, beautiful. No, actually, you're just coming in at a 5.9 then. It's conditions are definitely picking up as the sun goes down, and it gets a little colder here by the sea. But it's a beautiful spot, and thank you very much for participating. I'll pass it back to George. 7.3s.
Roger, Roger. Have a great evening. Thanks for being there.
Thank you, Greg. Enjoy the rest of the evening.
This is some interesting camera work.
QRZ, this is Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo in VKFF 1176, over.
VK3 Alpha Papa,
Yeah, the Victor Kilo 3 station first, please. VK3, over.
VK3 Alpha Papa, Juliet. VK3 Sierra, Quebec.
Okay, I've got both of those. I'll work VK3 Alpha Papa Juliet first, and just stand by Sierra, Quebec. Thank you so much. You are 5 and 9 here. 5 and 9. The name is George, over.
George, name here is Andrew in Horsham in Western Victoria. Got you about a 5 and 6, but yeah, a lot of study crashes there, back to you.
Romeo, that 5 and 6 QSL for that, and you enjoy the rest of the evening. And I'll pop over now to, actually, before we get rid of you,
Do you want a second operator?
do you want a second operator? I've got Chris here. Stand by 1.
Yeah, VK2NAP. Who are we after? I wasn't paying attention.
APJ.
VK3 APJ. What did you give him?
5 and 9.
5 and 9. Yeah, 5 and 9 from me. Back to you. No worries. No, that's very good. Thank you very much. I'll pass you back to George.
7-3, and thank you for waiting. Victor Kilo 3 Sierra, Quebec. This is VK2AOE. Go ahead.
Good evening to you, guys. VK3 Sierra, Quebec, returning. And I am here with Jeff. I'll pick up to Foxtrot, and I've got a second call. VK2 Bravo Delta. You can know that. Eyes on board. Coming through at 5 and 9.
Yeah, Victor Kilo 3 Sierra, Quebec, and Victor Kilo 2 Bravo Delta. This is VK2AOE. I think I got that signal 5 and 9. You're about a 5 and 9 here, but we're getting a lot of QRM and QRN at this end at the present moment, but got most of that over. Thank you, Jeff.
QSB.
Stand by 1. I'll get Chris for you. So
I think has he got a second operator?
You know, no, he wants you, I think.
Oh yeah. Yeah, VK2 was Sierra Quebec,
Yeah.
VK2 NAP.
That's his.
Yeah, 55, and I'll give the same to VK2 BD if you want that. 55 as well. Back to you.
VK2 Bravo Delta.
Yeah.
These two are also 5 and 9 at both calls from me, and for you to and the George as well. Back to you, over.
Yeah. Okay, fantastic. Yeah, so VK3 Sierra Quebec. That's what we got you in the log as. Yeah, the short-term memory is the first to go. Yeah, that it must be that or the RF burns off the loop. I have no idea. Anyway, I'll thank you very much for participating. I'll pass you back to George and let him get on with the activation. Really do appreciate it. 73s, my friend. Oh, name this way is Chris. Charlie Hotel Romeo India Sierra. So 73s, and pass you back to George.
Thank you, Jeff. Thank you for helping us with the activation, and you have a pleasant evening. 7-3. VK2 India Oscar. Yeah, Victor Kilo 2 India Oscar Mobile. This is VK2 AOE. We're getting you here. It's about 5 and 5, I'd say, with QSB. Over. 5 and 7. Romeo, that 5 and 7. Would you like to speak to Chris and get a second operator over?
Who we got?
It's VK2IO mobile.
Ah, Gerard. Yeah,
No, yeah, I've
yeah.
worked in before too.
Yeah, VK2NAP. How you doing, mate? Yeah, 5 and 5, 55 to Malabar Headlands. It's absolutely beautiful here as the sun goes down. Back to you.
I think he wants to call sign again.
No worries. Yeah, so it's my call sign is VK2 November Alpha Papa. November Alpha Papa. QSL.
Yeah, no, I didn't get it.
Yeah, it's definitely getting messy, isn't it?
Call sign again.
November Alpha Papa. November Alpha Papa. VK2 not allowed phone. Back to you. Yeah, I think you're gone. 7 3s and we'll catch you. Yeah, QRZ, CQ Parks, VK2NAP with VK2AOE on YouTube and elsewhere and on the air on 7144. CQ Parks.
X-ray golf.
VK2 X-ray Golf Bravo 5959. Name this way is Chris and we're Malabar Headlands 1176 VKFF. Yeah, it is, but that's the state of the hobby when the bands are like this, isn't it? Otherwise, 3 hours ago there was nothing, so I'm grateful.
What's the name?
Yeah, I'll hand him over. 7 3s, thanks a lot for that.
Yes, Victor Kilo 2, we're really losing daylight. Victor Kilo 2, X-ray Golf Oscar. Kilo 2, Alpha Oscar Echo. We're getting you 5 and, what did we say, 5 and 7?
5 7.
5 7 this end, and the name is George, Golf Echo, Oscar Romeo, Golf Echo. And thank you for working us in the park, over. Seven 344. Have a great night.
One more.
Okay, QRZ. We're going to go for one more, and then we're going to be frozen solid. This
Last drinks.
2 Alpha Oscar Echo and Victor Kilo 2 November Alpha Papa at Malabar. Over. Victor Kilo 7 Mike Alpha Delta. Mr. Mad. Yeah, Victor Kilo 7 Mike Alpha Delta. I'd say that's a 5.9. I'm not looking at the meter.
It's 5.9.
You're about 5.9, and name here is George, and your signal's booming in, over.
Quite a few static crashes around the place, but I've got the 5 and 9. Thank you for that. I've got you about 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Andy, Alpha.
Andy. Romeo, that Victor Kilo 7 Mike Alpha Delta, Victor Kilo 2 Alpha Oscar Echo. Andy, thank you for that. The name here is actually George, Golf Echo, Oscar, Romeo, Golf Echo. And the other operator, who I will put on shortly, is Chris, and he's a Victor Kilo 2 November Alpha Papa. I'll just put Chris on, he can have a quick chat to you, over.
Yeah, right, mate. I was listening to the last one and wrote down the wrong name.
Yeah.
How about Chris, VK2 November Alpha Papa, VK7 Mike Alpha Delta.
VK7 Mike Alpha Delta, a call sign that I can relate to.
Well, thank you for sticking around right to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing this activation. We had a heap of fun in a beautiful place in Australia, and I can only say this, that activations, parks, with it, Poda, Soda, VK, FF, flora and fauna, whatever it may be. It's fun to do it, it's fun to activate, it's fun to chase it, and it's just added another dimension to my ham life. 7 to 3, and I will see you in the next episode of The Art of Engineering.